Hello again, fellow virtual consultants. Today we have an important and urgent message for you and your virtual consulting business, which is get your cash now. In this video, we will share with you why you need to get your cash now, both for your personal life and for your virtual consulting business, and how you may be able to do so. With the Federal Reserve already raising interest rates and continuing to do so, with the Treasury bond yield curves inverting, it is very important that you get your cash now. In this video, and we hope you'll stick along to the end, we'll show you why this is important and how you may get your cash now, both for your personal life and for your virtual consulting business. You should have already heard that the Federal Reserve has already increased interest rates and is planning to do so in subsequent meetings this year. And what that means is that any variable rate loans, including mortgages, home equity lines of credit, etc., as well as credit cards, and again, any loan that has a variable rate will be increasing. We are already seeing that banks are sending out notices of increased interest rates on future withdrawals on home equity lines of credit, and that means that future withdrawals against those lines of credit will be more costly and less attractive to you. The fact that the Treasury bond yield curves have inverted means that banks are less likely to make longer-term loans, as the interest rates they earn on those longer-term loans is less attractive than the shorter-term bonds. Therefore, again, it is less likely that banks will be making longer-term loans, and that will impact the availability of capital going forward. So again, both of these factors mean that both for your personal life and for your virtual consulting and or other businesses, you want to get your cash now and lock in the most attractive interest rates going forward so that it does not erode in the future. So again, you want to get your cash now, and let's show you some ways in which you can do so. And then towards the end of the presentation, we will talk about, okay, what do you do with that cash so it is not negatively impacted by inflation? And how can you beat inflation with that cash that you have available to you for the benefit of your personal life and for your virtual consulting business? If you have cash available in your home equity line of credit or in a business line of credit, you want to cash out that available credit and lock it in at a fixed long-term rate. Most of these lines of credit have a fixed long-term rate or a variable rate based on each withdrawal. So again, if you make those withdrawals now at the lowest interest rate currently possible, then you will minimize the interest cost on those lines of credit going forward. And again, those interest rates are expected to increase. So if you wait to make withdrawals, they will be more costly in the future. So what do you do with that cash once you've got it? Well, the first thing you should do is pay off any debt that is exposed to the increasing interest rates. For example, credit cards will be increasing their interest rates, and if you have any balance that you're paying just interest on those credit cards, it would be highly beneficial to pay those off with this available cash now. If you have any mortgages that are an adjustable rate, it would also be beneficial to you to pay down those adjustable rate mortgages using your available cash as quickly as possible, as again, those adjustable rate mortgages will suffer from an increasing interest rate. Inflation is also currently and is expected to continue to be high and very hot for some time to come. Therefore, how can you benefit from your available cash to help you beat this high inflation and continuing hot inflation? This high inflation means that the cost of the goods and services that you pay for will continue to increase with time. Therefore, making purchases with your available cash now will lock in the lowest possible price at this time. Also, increasing inflation means that the value of your dollars today is higher than what the value of those dollars will be in the future. Therefore, one of the ways that you can benefit from your available cash is to finance any necessary purchases, ideally tax deductible purchases now with your available cash. Ideally, if you can get one of these buy now, pay later, a BNPL type of financing, that would be great because you'll pay 0% interest and you can defer paying it off, which you have the available cash for, to a later date. Otherwise, by locking in your financing now, you can get that financing at the lowest current possible interest rate and again not have to incur a higher interest rate trying to finance that purchase in the future. Once you have used the cash that you have gotten out now to pay off your debts that are exposed to variable interest rates and make any necessary purchases, then what do you do with any cash that is available to try to beat the increasing hot inflation? Well, we would highly recommend, and this is not financial advice, this is purely for educational purposes, but we would invest that you take any excess available cash and that you invest it at a rate of return that is higher than the current inflation rate to be able to beat the current rising high inflation. If you need or want help with how to invest your excess cash and or in growing your investment portfolios, then we would recommend that you also subscribe to our other media channels at Beach Bum Trading. You can find the Beach Bum Trading YouTube channel at YouTube/Beach Bum Trading as shown in the slide below and in the description box below. Our Beach Bum Trading media channels will help show you how you can invest your capital to both beat inflation and the rising interest rates, as well as grow your portfolio. You may also find a number of additional resources to again help you beat inflation, beat increasing interest rates, and grow your portfolio at the Beach Bum Trading homepage at beachbumtrading.com, bum without the U, as shown in this slide and included in the description box below. So again, it is very important that you get and use your cash now to minimize the impact of increasing interest rates, the inversion of the bond yield curve, increasing inflation, etc. Don't wait. Get your cash now and deploy it to your maximum advantage, both for your virtual consulting business and for your personal life. This video and the Virtual Consulting YouTube channel is powered by the Virtual Consulting Firm. Please also visit and follow us on social media via the links that you may find on our About page. In the top right, you can link to our Virtual Consulting homepage. You can follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. You can also find our web hosting company. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll find additional links to some of our other social media sites, our Facebook site, our Instagram site. Also, we have We hope you will join us in the Virtual Consulting Facebook group where we can discuss any topics and you can ask any questions related to virtual consulting, and we'd be happy to help you succeed in your virtual consulting business, get started, and succeed in your virtual consulting business, and also our Pinterest, and again, the web hosting company that we use for our homepage. So again, we hope you will also choose to follow us on our social media sites, visit us, let us know what you think of all this, how can we help you. We hope this all helps, and have a great day. Thank you for watching our video to the end. We hope that you liked it. Please smash the like button to help the YouTube algorithm share our videos with more of your fellow virtual consultants around the world. Please share this on your social media and with your other virtual consultants around the world. If you're not already subscribed to our virtual consulting YouTube channel, we hope that you will choose to subscribe, and please hit the bell icon to be notified as we release new content. Please provide us with your feedback in the comments below. Let us know how we can help you be more successful as a virtual consultant, get started as a virtual consultant, and be successful in your virtual consulting business. Again, thank you for watching our video to the end. We hope this all helps, and have a great day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this, and have a great day.